Okay, so jumping right into it, I have a predicament. The wind's been blowing really bad, and my hot water heater went out, so I don't have any vapors from flammable liquids will cause explosion. Do not use or store flammable products such as gasoline. Keep away tightly. I'm like so scared. So my hot water heater went out. And I have to go in this little door. Freaking trap door. Welcome to the trap house. And in there, you will see oh my goodness, this is hard. Alright, you will see that thing. And that thing right there, I have to light with the lighter. And I'm really nervous. It's such a tight space. I've never done this before. My mom always did this. And like, yeah, I can call for help. Like, I'm literally supposed to. Not supposed to, but I planned on it. Like, yeah, call somebody to solve our issues. Like, nah, figure some of it out yourself. So, basically, the wind was blowing really bad. I don't know if that's what made the heater thing go out, but there's a knob up here. And when it goes out, you want to, it was on. Okay, so this used to be on. And then I turned it to off. And then I turned that off. And then I have to go through this trap door. Don't worry, it's magnetic. I'm not purely magic. Alright. So I gotta light that thing. And I'm nervous because I've never done it before. I don't know what to expect. What is this? Oh, my leg. I was like, what is happening now? So the guy in the video used a lighter like this, but my mom used to use matches. But this is such a tiny space. I don't know how you could fit your arm in there with a lit match and not burn yourself. Because you have to push this down at the same time. Like, how the hell? And I'm just scared. Like, I need to do it. Like, it's not that freaking hard, Sarah. It's just I'm scared. It's like gas. Okay, I've never dealt with gas. I don't know what I'm doing. But I know that if I do it, I will be really proud of myself. It's not that big of a deal. I watched the guys in the video do it a million freaking times, dude. I've got this. I'm just so scared. I've never done this before. I'm fucking scared. Oh my god. So, supposedly, I just put that thing down to pilot. I turn the knob, I press it down, I hold it, I just light it, it lights, and I'm good. And I'm good. Like, it's been off. There's no way there's any gas. I would smell it. Like, you know when you're so scared you just want to cry? And I need to hurry because my battery's low. Like, it says push gas knob all the way down and hold it immediately, light pilot with a match. But I'm scared to use a fucking match, yo. Like, this space is so tiny. Like, how do I have this lit, not catch this shit on fire? I, like, am freaked out and, like, put my hand in there. No, like, that's scary as... Literally. Yo, you'd have to stick your whole arm in there. Like, I'm so scared. Nothing's gonna happen, but... I just gotta light this. Put the thing down. Light the goddamn thing, Sarah. Like that, and it'll light. Ah! This is like where this is where adulting isn't fun. Having like nobody to do anything isn't fun. Okay, I've got this. I'm just so scared right now. My heart. Like, I want to use my foot to prop this thing open. Like, how am I going to hold this open? They didn't have a little door that was on a bungee cord. This shit would be easy. I need to just do it. This camera's going to die. It's going to piss me off. And then I'm going to stick it in here, Sarah. And then you're just going to light it like that. Okay. I'm so scared. I got this. I want to cry while I'm doing it. Because maybe that will make me feel better. Because then I'll be crying while bad things happen. Everything's going to be fine. It's just... This isn't even like, oh, I'm scared of bugs. It's like, oh, I'm fucking scared of a fire. My face is right here. But then this isn't even the bad part, because then I gotta turn it to the gas knob. Like, oh my god, okay. I've got this. Just do this. Come on. People are laughing at you. Alright. Okay. Just light it, girl. Just light it. Maybe I'll just keep it like that, but I'm scared it's like not supposed to be touching that. Or... Oh my god, this is so scary. Do it. Just do it. Ah! I don't want to do this. Just do it, Sarah. Do it. 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 Just go. Go. Ah, this is so scary. Dude, just go. Shit. Alright, I gotta push this knob down. All the way down. Press knob down all the way. Hold it down immediately. Like. I've got this. I'm fine. I've got it. Just do it. Fucking do it. Oh, fuck. Nothing's happening. Pilot, if it goes out, push gas knob all the way down, hold it down. Continue to hold the gas control knob for about 1 minute after the pilot is lit. But it didn't light, you guys. What the f... This is where I'm getting freaking annoyed, because I went over my fear and it didn't work. Oh my god. My camera freaking dies. I light it and then it goes out. Like, do I just have gunpowder in my eyes? I mean, my nose? Or do I smell something bad? Like, I don't know what is happening. So I got a new battery. Gotta wait for... Like, I hate this. Like, am I smelling gas? Am I smelling a match that was just lit? Maybe if I just sit in here and wait, I'll pass out, and that's how I know if there's a gas leak. Like, I cannot tell if it's the matches I'm smelling. I think it is. Like, I don't know what to do. Do I air this place out? Like, I don't know what to do! It's like, meanwhile at Coachella. Freaking need to gain weight. I'm tired of looking skinny. I want to just try again, but I'm so scared again. Like, I got over my fear and now I'm scared. Like, I just want to do it to have it over with. Like, I'm so sick of this anxiety. It's just freaking, I need hot water. You feel me? But like, the gas has been off. I guess in school they should like teach you what certain things smell like. Like, hey, to know if you have a gas leak in your house. I know some, like, I don't know. You just don't learn the normal things that you learn, like you're supposed to learn. Like, how far does math get you, yo? I haven't used math since I've gotten out of high school and I wasted so much time learning it. It's just... I don't know what to do, you guys. I don't know if what I'm smelling is just this. Like, this is not fun. I just want to get this fucker lit. Alright, ready? I'm ready. There you go. Come on. God, I did this last time too. Didn't do anything. Third time's a charm. Third time's a charm. Third time's a... It's like so hard to do this with like one hand. And this just sucks. Like I'm tired of doing this. I'm gonna try lighting it with this hand and pressing down with this one. You guys, I don't know what to do. Like I cannot, this stupid thing. Like I don't know why they made it to where this is right above the knob. Like you can't even push this with that there. I'm trying to not get pissed off at myself. It's just like, yo, for real? I've already wasted 10 minutes of my life. Alright. It lit, guys. Then it says to hold on to it for a minute. This is where it went out last time because I stopped holding it. It says hold it down for about a minute after the pilot is lit. Release the gas control knob and it will pop back up. Pilot should remain lit. If it goes out again, I'm not trying it again because I might, but I don't know. I'm still pressing it down. It's still lit. Alright, I'm gonna let go maybe. Holy shit, it stayed lit. Okay, so now it says replace outer burner door at arm's length away. This is the part I'm scared of. So, for one, I'm gonna let this door close. Bye, little guy. Sorry, I was so scared. Okay, it's still lit in there. But then this is what was holding it. And it says, I don't want to touch that because of the stuff on it. And I don't want to get it anywhere because of the stuff on it. But on the back of this tin, it says to replace this. But, like, I don't have anything to replace it with. I strictly don't. So I don't know if I just leave it off. But it says replace outer burner door at arm's length away. Turn gas knob control counterclockwise to on. Which is what I'm scared to do. I don't know what to do with this because I think I should just let this part go in the trash. I don't know. Like, I don't know what to do. But all it says is for safety and to prevent possible pilot outages, the outer door must be replaced after pilot lighting. But where the hell do you buy one of these? Like, hey, I came to Walmart. I need to buy one of these. That looks horrible. It doesn't even look safe. I'm just gonna try and turn this at arm's length, and I'm just at arm's length. Turn gas control knob counterclockwise to figure C. Set thermostat to desired settings. I'm getting an arm's length away, that's for sure. I'm still scared. I just gotta turn it. One. Like, I want you guys to see my face of how fucking scared I actually am. Okay, ready? 1. Oh, I don't want something to happen to me. 1, 2, 3. No. God. Thought it went out. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Why is life like this? I just have to turn that dial. If I can do this, anybody can do this. Just have to turn that dial. Oh my god. People are like, you are such a drama queen. Leave me alone. Okay, let's turn the dial. I'm scared to turn it to the color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I did it. I did it. No! What the fuck just happened? What's happening in there? Is everything okay? God! It's not even hot enough for me to take a shower yet. Ah! 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 Holy fuck, I'm sweating. My hands are so sweaty. Oh, yeah. I did it. Alright, let's go see if I have hot water. the things I go through.